Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Capricorn, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So, this is for your relationship, guys, and this is for your career situation. So let's start with the cards for your general energies first, guys. So we have World in reverse, Nine of Pentacles in reverse, and Page of Pentacles. So in your situation, Capricorn, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. So you are feeling stuck, cornered. Maybe you have a lot of confusion, doubts in your mind. You don't know which way to go or what to decide, maybe in your work situation, and you are not clear about your choices. You don't know what will work for you, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are simply tired, sick and tired of your circumstances. You just want to stay away from your work, maybe take time off, take a day off from your work, take rest maybe. And you trusted someone, maybe you expected them to come out with some kind of work, maybe. So this may be someone from your work situation. So you expected them to do certain things for you, for your career or for your work. Maybe you are working together in a project, but this person is not responsible or devoted like you. So they are quite careless, negligent, and they are not talented enough like you, and they are not hard working like you, guys. So some kind of you feel that you cannot rely on this person. They are not reliable today in your situation, guys. And the reason may be destiny, the way things are going today in your situation. You never expected this to happen or expected things to go this way in your career, or it may be in your relationship. Maybe you are someone who is responsible, dedicated to this connection, but this person does not reciprocate your feelings. So your love, your responsible attitude, this person may not have that, guys, towards this connection, towards this love. But you need not worry, Capricorn. There is someone coming with good news. So this person is coming with a good news in your career situation or a good news in your relationship. Maybe if you are in a separation, maybe a temporary break from this connection, you have a common friend coming to you to communicate what they truly feel about you and about this love. So some kind of good news is reaching you, Capricorn. That is what I see. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship first. We have High Priestess in reverse. So with this card, guys, maybe whatever was not clear, some kind of lack of clarity was there in your situation. So that is clearing up today, guys. Maybe you were expecting some clarity, you were confused on certain things we were speaking about. So there was a confusion in your relationship, but with this person, with that news, that doubt or confusion is clearing up. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have Emperor. So with this card, I see that you are strongly determined, you have a firm conviction, and you are someone who has a lot of knowledge and experience. That is the reason things will go in a positive way in your career situation, Capricorn. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. Let's see what is the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, it is Blessing of Zara. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation you are given a blessing or a guidance. So something is obstructing the way of fulfillment in your life, unfoldment, a divine unfoldment, and opportunities are coming towards you to shed the toxins, whatever was not working for you. It may be at the physical level, emotional or psychological level. So sometimes you may understand it consciously, sometimes you may not, but you are in the process of detoxing right now, guys, giving up old thoughts, feelings, pains and struggles, memories from the past flooding you, and you are just expelling all that negativity from your being, and you are moving towards full radiance, vitality. And maybe if you are unwell, if you are sick or suffering from some sickness, you are healing from that, guys, and you are back to good health, recovering to good health, and you are finding that radiance in your soul today, guys, and it is only a matter of time you reach back to your original glory today, guys. And also this card comes with a special guidance. Maybe you are pained because something is leaving you, something which you love is no longer there, but you need to understand that it may be a person or a circumstance. You are seeing inevitable changes to it because it may not support you anymore, guys, and it is not something that is good for you. Something much more beautiful is waiting for you, loving and beautiful. So you just need to rise up and move forward towards that and not brood over the past. So that is the energy with this card, guys. And that time of healing or detox or shining with that previous glory or brilliance is imminent, and you need not worry. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who choose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have hope. So in our situation, guys, often we see or we hear struggles or troubles in our life, and we feel hopeless and heavy at heart. We don't know what we'll be able to do, how to help people, how to do anything about it. So we just simply observe and we do nothing. It is impossible for us to change the whole world, but we can start with some small acts of kindness or help in our situation, guys. So we can do something which we are really passionate about. Maybe a small thing will make a huge difference in someone's life. So when we dedicate our time, resources, or finances to make a difference in that area, it is going to change the way things are for someone else. And when we work with like minded people, we will help ourselves to realize the purpose of our life, and it will bring us hope and faith in future. So we can start with some small acts of help or kindness, and it will instill hope and a sense of purpose in that person's life to whom we are showing our compassion or kindness, and it will instill hope in their lives too. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all today. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.